My name is Kate. I am a specialty doctor in elderly care who has worked for the NHS for 9 years. I have chosen not to take the COVID-19 vaccine and now face the end of my career as a result. For the first 12 months of the COVID epidemic, I worked on a COVID ward. I held the hands of your loved ones when you weren't able to come into hospital so that they weren't alone in their final moments, at a time when inhumane hospital policy didn't allow you to visit your loved ones, even on their deathbeds. For 12 months, I worked on a COVID ward with nothing more than a simple surgical mask for protection, while all my colleagues around me fell ill with COVID, one of whom died. I remained well. I am not anti-vax, having had many throughout my life. However, at the end of the day, every person that takes the vaccine should be giving their informed consent, knowing the potential harms and in full knowledge that we don't have long-term safety data. The NHS, government and mainstream media have vilified me and my unvaccinated colleagues as selfish, callous and ignorant. I have felt bullied and harassed for exercising my human right to bodily autonomy and have been bombarded with the constant mantra that I should be getting vaccinated to protect those around me, despite mounting evidence to the contrary. I hope this video will help others like me that are feeling as alone as I have in recent months. You aren't alone. We can get through this, but only if we stand together.